Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy Los, and I'm happy that you're joining me. So today we're gonna go install a catback exhaust on the R. So you guys are coming with me. Thank you for joining. Let's go. Roll the credits. Boom. What up everybody? Thank you for tuning in to Motor Missed It. Let me pop my, well, not pop it, but check my collar over here. Anyways, I'm getting out of work and I'm on my way to a Honda dealership. I have a tech that's gonna work on the R. He's gonna install the catback exhaust on it, and he's gonna hook it up. So he's gonna do it like after work hours and stuff like that, be able to use the facilities. So that's where we're going right now. He can only do it off obviously after like 5 or 6. So going there right now, I'm gonna hit him up with something and he's gonna hook it up. So what exhaust? If you're not following me on Instagram, which I don't know why you're not, but if you want to, it is type_R_Los, LOS. So type R Los, but with the underscores in between them, right? Also, shout out and follow Motor_Misfit. Come on, guys. But I did put it on my stories there when I got it in. It's the MXP Comp RS, right? Now, I was a little weary about this exhaust because when it first came out, it came out like maybe a few months ago, there were no sound clips. None. Like, none. And it was like, it's at a good price because, let's face it, these freaking exhausts for the FK8 are expensive as hell. I get it. You pay what you get for, and quality is worth paying for, right? But guys, I'm coming from a Mustang GT. Now I get it, it's not the same thing. In 2 miles,
use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward I-75 South, Miami.
Because Mustangs have a crap load of parts for them. You can probably find a Mustang part everywhere, right? Aftermarket. And FK8s are a little bit more subjective. I get it. Cool. But these people are asking for like $3,000. There's a bunch of them at like around the $1,200 to $2,000 range, and then there's some that are like $2,500 to $3,500 range. That is crazy. The $1,000 to $2,000, I get it. This was a little bit under $1,000, and I was a little weary of it. I got it on a good deal. It was like 15% off, I don't remember. For 4th of July, MA Performance, shout out to them. They had it for sale, right? I was looking between them and Vivid Racing, but they beat Vivid Racing. They had a better deal on it. So I bought it from them, and the only reason that I bought it is because I'm on the FK8 owners group on Facebook.
In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward I-75 South, Miami.
That bought it, and he did a review on it. And then FK8 Products also did a review on it themselves. He kind of did a review, well, he didn't do a review, but he showed sound clips, and it actually sounded pretty nice. And then I talked to him, I was like, hey, how's the drone?
Use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward I-75 South.
And he said there is a tiny bit of drone when you're in 3,000, but it's not bad, right? So, okay, I'll take that, whatever. I had a shitload of drone on my EcoBoost when I went with the Flowmasters, so that was horrible. And there was a little, well, there wasn't any drone, it was just loud on my Mustang when I had the Roush axle backs and the X-Type, right? So I can deal with that a little. I just don't want to mess too much with the sound. I don't want it to be as loud as the Mustang, because let's face it, this is not going to have a Mustang sound. It's not going to have a V8 sound. So sometimes these things sound horrible when they're way too loud. So that's one of the things that I asked the guy. and he said that no, it's not loud, it's just perfect. It's a little bit louder than the HKS, which I heard is not that loud, actually. So it's a little bit louder, so that's fine. And then FKA Products Review, also on Facebook, made a review on it, and it kind of said basically what that guy said. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'm going to give this a try.
In half a mile, merge onto I-75 South.
I ordered it. It came in. The people from the What's Up group, the FKA, the Type R of South Florida, Type R's of SoFlo, What's Up group, they hooked it up and they got me in contact with this guy that can do it. So we're on our way there now. Just a little synopsis on everything, and I don't know if I can really record there, but I'll definitely take some sound clips so you guys can hear how everything sounds after the fact. And you already know how it sounds before the fact, so I'm not going to do that. And if you want to know how that sounds, you can see the dozens of other exhaust clips on YouTube or wherever else to get a feeling of how the Type R sounds stock. So that's what we're gonna do. And so I just met, or not met, but I saw Championship White FKA on the turnpike when I was driving, and it was cool because I sent a picture to the What's Up group, and he's like, oh, that's me, and it's another guy named Carlos. So that's pretty cool. He had a Championship White one. I'm not sure if he had different wheels, but he had the visor, so it looked pretty good on the Championship White. Anyway, shout out to you, man, and let's go to the exhaust install. So you coming with me? I just met with the mechanic. He took the car, and yeah, he said maybe like 2 hours, something like that. So I guess we'll see what happens then. I am excited. I definitely want to hear how this thing sounds, and we're gonna do the sound clips afterwards. All right, so cool. See you in about 2 hours, something like that. All right, he has to let the car cool for a little bit, like maybe 30 minutes, because I did drive maybe like 45 minutes to get over here, so it's definitely hot. So he'll let it cool, and then he'll start working on it. So we'll go from there. The next day. Obviously it's not nighttime and I'm wearing a different shirt, so you can only imagine that I already have the exhaust installed, and I wanted to give you a quick synopsis. You guys just heard the sound clips. Hopefully they came out good. If not, I can do more.
In half a mile,
not sure if you hear it, but I love how it sounds. I love it. You know, when I left the Honda dealership yesterday, I felt it was good, and the guy that was helping me bring my stock muffler home with his pickup, shout out to Jared, Mr. J, he told me that it was smoking out the back. So now going to work, I'm taking the highway, so I'm trying to like clear out anything that's obviously in the exhaust.
In half a mile,
maybe hit 75, 80, push that out so it stops like smoking. I don't know if it's smoking because I didn't even notice that it was smoking yesterday. Anyways, how is the sound? So first off, it's just a little louder. This, I hate when people are like, oh, this is how it should have sounded from the factory. But yes, honestly, this is how it should have sounded from the factory. You hear it a little bit, says the guy that's coming from Mustang GT that was loud as hell. But hear me out. you hear it. But I can tell you that why I say a little bit is because yesterday when Mr. J was helping me pick up the stock one, and the guy that installed it, shout out to X, we were all talking, and then Mr. J was like, yo, is your car on? And I was like, yeah, it's on. Usually you would hear like I was about to make a V8 sound, but at least you hear, you know what I'm saying, like a small little rumble, tremble, something like that, and you couldn't hear that at all. So it was quiet. So it's quiet until you hit it. And also the cold start this morning, again, I'm kind of comparing it to the Mustang, and I had a loud ass exhaust on the Mustang. There was a Roush axle back and X pipe. So yes, the cold start was like non-existent. But anyways, I still like it. It's definitely what I was looking for, and I'm glad that I went with my choice, because this car is like a triple duty car. I said duty. It's a triple duty car. It basically is a daily driver for me, 1. 2, I'm gonna start taking it to the track. I haven't yet, but it's coming. And 3, it lets me take my family around as well. We do have an SUV, or my wife has an SUV, but when my kids want to go out, they usually want to take my car. And my wife likes it now because it's a 4-door. There's no more like getting people in the back seat with the coupe and stuff like that. And she likes this car. So we go out more in this car as well as the SUV that we have. So I can't make it too loud, too obnoxious, too race car worthy, because of that. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it's gonna really suck to do that when it's a daily driver as well. Anyways, so it's perfect for me. It's exactly what I wanted, so I'm very happy. I know it might open up a little bit more the more I keep driving it, so hopefully it doesn't get too loud. But as of right now, I love it. I love the sound, and it sounds perfect with the intake and the turbo. Nice. So shout out to MXP Comp MXP. The actual exhaust is MXP Comp RS, but the company is MXP, I believe. So shout out to them. It was good. Shout out to MA Performance for the good deal that they gave me on this. Check them out, maperformance.com. And they usually have good discounts, good prices. So definitely go there. Other than that, I mean, there's nothing more that I can say. Oh, drone. So you hear a little bit, right? Especially right now when I'm at 3,500 RPMs. You do hear a little bit of drone, but it's not bad. Like I said, guys, again, I hate to bring it up again because I know you guys don't care, but the Mustang for a little while has some drone. Also, I had a Mustang EcoBoost, which is the turbo, and I had some Flowmasters exhaust on there, and that had drone like crazy. Like that was like some drone that was, yeah, it was crazy. It was like ringing in your eardrum. Like my wife hated going in that car. But this is actually not bad. It's a little bit, I will say. But also the stock exhaust has a little bit. This has more, but they're gonna have drone either way. So at the end of the day, I like it. I really do. And I recommend it. If you're looking for not too obnoxious, not an obnoxious sound, but still sound on your Type R, definitely check it out, MXP Comp RS. With that said, I am out. Please, well, first off, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please keep tuning in so you let me know that you like this content. You know, it helps me do more videos and helps people find me, so that they can also benefit from this. On that note, please subscribe, please follow, please comment, please like, all of the above. Visit the website. Just let me know. Misfit. On Instagram, we're motor_misfit. And my personal Type R page is type_R_lows. So Type R lows, but with the underscores between it. And then check out the website, motormisfit.com. And that is it. The thing's getting too long. And we're out of here. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Have a blessed day. And make it amazing. Peace.